Hey everybody, Troy here with Fields Family Cooking and Outdoors. I just took my drone up and took some pretty video of this thunderstorm that's south of Oklahoma City. Thought I'd share it with everyone and hope everyone is having a great evening.